Who saw the problem first? James saw the problem first. What was the batch number? The batch number was 2109. What document did Maria say they need to issue? They need to issue an NCR. What action did James suggest regarding the production line? James suggested stopping the line. What did Maria say should be done with the affected products? Maria said the products should be quarantined. Why is it important to stop the production line when a deviation is detected? Because continuing production could create more defective products, increase waste, and cause bigger financial and safety risks. If you were the supervisor, what corrective action would you take? I would first investigate the root cause, then decide whether to recalibrate the machine, retrain operators, or adjust the process to prevent the issue from happening again. Why is a batch number critical during quality checks? It allows the team to trace exactly which products are affected and prevents unaffected batches from being recalled unnecessarily. How does issuing an NCR help in preventing future problems? An NCR documents the issue formally, ensures accountability, and creates a reference for corrective action and audits. What risks exist if affected products are not quarantined immediately? They could accidentally be shipped to customers, leading to complaints, recalls, or even safety hazards.